Detailed by Her is the place for female detailing enthusiasts and professionals. A community to showcase work, find inspiration, engage in conversation, or seek advice on anything detailing related. Our goal is to see a significant rise in the number of female detailers across the world. And that is because we believe detailing is a passion that is best when shared with others. In an industry where energy and enthusiasm build momentum, we hope Detailed by Her can play its part in making our goal a reality. Developing confidence, providing support, and creating a sense of belonging for all members. Life is about passion. Thank you for sharing ours.